Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix services error code 1058. The service can't be started. So firstly click on start, type services, open services. In this list find out Windows Update, double click on it. Now select automatic, then start this service, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now close it. Now click on again start, type regedit, open registry editor, backup your registry editor by export, and once you need so import. Now here expand HK local machine system. Now expand current control set services. Now find out this folder WUSERV, double click on it. Now double click on start, make number 2 as a value data, then click on OK, close it, then start settings. Now here guys, click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, then run on Windows Update, and once this complete, close and restart. Hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve services error code 1058. The service can't be started. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and please comment this method work for you or not.